Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at natural gas on the daily and weekly time frame, the bulls are on fire, higher lows and higher highs, 10-day moving average support, bouncing off and continuing to new highs. And we're looking at $3 psychological resistance, and we'll see if we can get above that next week. The upper Bollinger Band has been containing this move to the upside, so it's not a breakout in the sense of a strong move above the upper Bollinger Band, but certainly riding this channel between 10-day support and upper Bollinger Band resistance with a ton of strength. Weekly time frame is in full-on beast mode. RSI is up at 70.61. We have seen plenty of weeks with RSI, or plenty of weekly time periods where the RSI was above 75 up towards 80. So if we were to get up there, I would certainly start looking for some longer term bearish positions. We've got the 200-week moving average resistance up there. If we were to get up to that 335 level in the next month or so, this RSI is going to be very high. But as of right now, it's just an absolute breakout. We've got the upper Bollinger Band as support on the weekly, and we're looking at this 310 level. That's where that high bounce was rejected. And if we get above 310, that's going to be the highest price that we've seen pretty much since back in 2000, or the first week in 2015. So significant moves are going on here, getting these higher highs, and we are going to need to consolidate at some point and establish a higher low. But as of right now, not getting that signal, and even on the daily chart, at this point, need to wait to go bearish, in my opinion, unless it's just a day trade or so. Need this 10-day moving average to be lost as support, because we have bounced off of it so many times. That is going to be a clear indication of the change in trend when it is lost, because we can see clearly bearish reversal candlesticks aren't giving us too much indication when we aren't confirming them and we're seeing further movement to the upside. So the different time frames to look at, we've been checking out the hourly. We've got a nice uptrend line here to keep an eye on, and we'll start paying attention if this is broken. And that $3 psychological and then 310 resistances will be on watch for next week. And the RSI, let's look at this weekly. So the RSI is just above 70. I'd say we're right at 72 right now. And we can zoom back and see that we were up at about 76 in February. We were up at 77 in June of 2008. So this is certainly going back, but you definitely want to get a gauge of all the action as history shows us. So once it was in an uptrend, when NatGas was on fire for the bulls, we were getting above those 80 RSI, and it was a strong indication of strength heading to the upside. But now we're in a downtrend and trying to reverse it. So I don't believe the RSI is going to get that high, and I think we could get a rejection from that 310 resistance level, but want to be cautious. Wait till that 10-day moving average is lost if looking for any kind of swing position in bearish NatGas. But for right now, bulls on parade. We'll check back in next week. Have a great long weekend.